Hello, this is Fantom Vacuum Fan again. I just did a video of my Cyclone XT where I vacuumed this bedroom, and I'm supposed to do the rest of the house anyway. So I decided I said that the thunder and lightning that I had at the time of my original Cyclone seemed to work better. So I figured I'd just do a quick test since I have to vacuum the rest of the house with the thunder anyway, to see whether that's true. The canister is empty right now. There is a little bit of dust in there, but it's stuff that I'd need to actually open it up and wipe out because I just tried dumping it, and before I turned the camera on, and it won't come out. Anyway, here goes. Okay, let's just see quickly what we picked up. And yeah, that's what was still in the carpet. Sorry, I'm having to wait for my camera to focus. Maybe zooming in and out will help. There we go, yeah. That's the kind of stuff that was still in the carpet. You can see there's still some dog hairs on. That's where you can really see it, is like when I tilt it from the side, you can see all that sand and dust and so on. So yeah, I think the Thunder works better than the Cyclone, but yeah, I still don't regret getting the Cyclone. I think it was a good deal, and it'll come in handy for if I ever need to do my bare floors, because sometimes, you can do it with a bare floor attachment, but when you've got a kitchen, you can't really see it, but that's only part of it. But it's a bigger kitchen, a bathroom that, it can, it can be annoying to have to just use this small tool, although it's a decent size, maybe a 12-inch or so path, but if you've got a 15-inch cleaning path, you're going to use it more likely, so that's where the Cyclone will come in handy. Or if the Thunder ever breaks, I'll still have a Fantom, even if it's not as good as the Thunder. So like I said, I think it was worth it. Anyway, Fantom Vacuum Fan signing off for the day. Thank you, bye.